So you bought your dream home, just finished renovating it, and there's only one room left, the garage. You've heard mixed reviews about epoxy flooring, so you're doing your research and proceeding with caution. You've learned there's no industry standards or licensing requirements for contractors, and when you talk to your neighbor, he had to empty the garage himself, including the refrigerator, and he had to find a place to store it. Once your garage floor is coated, if it's not done right the first time, it has to be completely ground off. He paid more in both time and frustration. With us, you avoid all this drama. Our epoxy flooring service is timeless for 2 reasons. We'll deliver a mobile storage unit to your house, load all your belongings for you, then our professional team of organizers will organize everything once the floor is ready. You'll receive text updates throughout the job with arrival times and progress updates. Everything is managed for you. This whole process takes under 1 hour of your time. Second, we only offer the best epoxy floors. They're thick, they're glossy, and they come with a 10-year warranty. Value your time with Koncept Garage by adding this as an asset to your life. We invite you to book a free consultation with us now. Koncept Garage, we create space for your life.